Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special header unit Android 12 system special for Kia Optima 2015 to 2020 years. Okay, let me show. It comes with a special harness and canvas decoder box, so it's plug and play. This canvas decoder box and special harness. We also have the all Kia harness. There are two screws. Please take out this top of header unit, two screw, before installing. If not, the DVD player it can't use. No working. This volume is mute the sound volume button. Okay, this home button or if you can test home button. This reset button and IR. This microphone, two SD card slot. Okay, let me show. You can long press to choose the app like the Bluetooth. All apps are here. It's built in the Bluetooth amplifier, DSP amplifier, and music Play Store. You can download the applications from it. This speed play for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You also can choose the Kia logo. This Kia logo. Okay, and let me choose the Belsee. It will show the Belsee logo. You can choose the time and speed, GPS. It comes the GPS music. This theme editor you can adjust the color. Different color you can choose it. Okay, and let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi. You can visit our website belse.com to contact us. Latest Tesla style header unit and cluster. Okay. And car settings, these apps you can check. CO apps, you can choose one of it and force stop, disable, open it, and car settings, brightness and car settings, this personal settings. Their autoplay music. This LED it can change the button lights. Orange, and let me choose red. Okay. Navigation settings. This driving settings. Please turn off the watch audio. If not, you can't watch video. This is rear camera settings. This factory settings. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check 64 GB. And let me check the system. You can change the language with different language. But hardware PX6 chip, Android 12 variant. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. This is my phone. This Bluetooth. Click search. Stop search, choose it, and connect. Put the 40 1 2 3 4 40. Okay, paired Bluetooth, and you can make a phone call.
For English service, please.
Okay, it works with the Bluetooth, and you also can stream music from it. Okay, this streaming music from your phone, and video or music. Let me try the play music. USB 1. This DSP amplifier. EQ. Okay, and play the video. Video disable for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car settings. It's in drama setting. This 4K video, it can play the 4K video. and full screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website blse.com, contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.